Kayıt olmak için buraya tıkla. Tayo'nun kanalına üye ol ve en yeni videoları ilk gören sen ol.
Hi guys, it's time to guess the sound with Tayo. Can you guess the place by its sound? Ah, this feels good. Is it the sound of a shower? Is it a bathroom? That was close. It was a sound of a car wash. A car wash. Ah, this feels good. I'll wipe and clean every corner.
Oh no! Lanny broke the car wash.
Oh, I'm in trouble! I broke the car wash! Let's see how buses and cars clean themselves here. Splash, splash! Tayo splashes the water. Bubble, bubble! Tayo makes bubbles. Looks awesome! After the car wash, Tayo shines nice and bright. Can you guess that sound?
Oh?
Whoa!
Wow!
Somebody is sweeping. It is Robbie the sweeper.
Oh! Robbie!
There are some cars that clean the road. Robbie is the sweeper who cleans the road. All done. Robbie. Robbie cleans all over.
Hannah, why did you buy so much?
Rogie also helps Robbie clean the road. Cleaning is not always easy. But after the cleaning, the road shines nice and bright. Now that you've guessed all the sounds, let's see how buses and cars do their cleaning. Do you also want to be a great cleaner? Yes! Then let's enjoy the song. So fresh, so clean. Yay!
In the early sunny morning, I get up and stretch all over. I wash up my pretty face, looking at the shiny mirror. Splashy, splashy, I wash my face. Splashy, splashy, closing my eyes. Brushy, brushy, I brush my teeth. Brushy, brushy, all over. Soft, 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 shiny, shiny, shiny. I like this fresh feeling. Soft, 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 shiny, shiny, shiny. It is another fun and happy day. In the evening at sunset, I say goodbye and go back home. I take off my dusty coat and take a shower to get clean. Bubbly, bubbly,